welcome back to class. It's Miss Johnson, of course. And as you all know, I recently got back from my Hawaii trip. It was great. As you can see, I have fully decorated my room with Hawaii stuff. So yeah, I love Hawaii, and it's too bad you guys couldn't come with. Actually, I don't care that you didn't come with me. It was great without you filthy kids. Send moment. Oh, why are you staring at me, huh? Stop! But just stop looking at me. You're so weird. What, are you jealous that I have a humidifier? You don't? Oh, this is a distraction. Unplug it, I'm done. Well, anyways, my flower pen. Today, we're going to go to PE. I don't care. Stop complaining. No complaining. I don't care if you like PE or not. We are going. Don't worry, it's not yet. I still have more time to punish you before we can go to PE. Wait. Did I just hear someone drinking something? Emma, was that you? Well, what's in that cupboard? Hand that over. What is this? This looks disgusting. That is so gross, Emma. Just do. I warned you guys last week to never bring any kind of food or water into class ever. Huh? What'd you say? You said I didn't warn you about drinks? Excuse me? Detention! What's this? Stop looking at me! That's good. Good. No one saw that. What was that? Did I hear someone talking? Wait, raise your hand. Good. Okay, James, what do you have to say? Tell me. The substitute put thumbtacks on your chairs? Wow, that is so mean of her. I never thought a sub would do something like that. At least I'm a better teacher than that. I would never do that to you sweet kids. Anyways, now that we're done with the lectures for the day, it's been, what, an hour now? Well, we're gonna get started with, let me check my sheet. We're gonna get started with, oh, there's a note here from the sub. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, the sub did put the thumbtacks on the chairs. That's awesome. Shh, be quiet. She gave Filbert detention? Dang, girl, good job. Oh, she gave Filbert detention? Filbert, what were you doing, huh? You know what? I don't even want to hear. Just shut your mouth. Today is our parent-teacher conference. You better behave when your parents come, or it's not going to be a good week. Did I just hear something? What was that? It sounded like... What was that? What is that? Excuse me? Chelsea, what is that? What are you hiding? You better bring it up to the teacher. Walk up right now in front of everybody. Come here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. You came. A gumball machine? Give that to me. You had a gumball machine in class, Chelsea? What do you have to say for yourself? If you know, I don't even want to hear it. You get detention for 4 years. And yeah, I don't care. You're getting detention. Really? A gumball machine? I am so disappointed. Well, actually, you're a bad student. I'm not disappointed. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Disgusting. Never giving that back to you. I don't care what your mom says. Oh, kids, what's over there? Nobody saw that. Someone, who knocked this over? Kids, stop knocking over things on my desk. I think it's about time for lunch. But we're skipping lunch today because you guys are not being good. You're being especially bad. No lunch today. We're going straight to gym. Did someone just say they're not going to have enough energy from not eating? I don't care. What do you think I am? Your mom? I'm not providing you with food. Well, you better get ready to go. Oh, I have to take you? I don't have to take you anywhere. Get out of the class. I'm giving you 10 seconds, and I'm not counting out loud, so when I get to 1, you get detention if you're still in the class. Good, everyone's out. Finally, a break from those kids. Oh, this is so good. Alyssa? What kind of a weird name is that? That's weird. Whatever. I didn't even know I had an Alyssa in my class. Oh, maybe she's just a weird one in the back always doing art. Whatever. Her drawings are stupid. Anyways, I wonder when those kids are gonna be back. Finally, you kids are back. What took so long? You were at PE. Oh, just be quiet. Sit down. Oh, the PE teacher's coming with you. What does he have to say? Were you misbehaving? I hope not. Oh, hi PE teacher. How are you doing? Yeah. Oh, someone was misbehaving. Which kid was it? Filbert and Chelsea? Oh, well, thanks for letting me know. See you later, bye. Filbert and Chelsea. You, Chelsea, already brought this piece of junk in my classroom today. And Filbert, you are always bad. You were eating chips the first day of school, and you've been eating chips. I don't know, but you're both very bad children. And you're both getting detention for 6 years. And today, I'm not letting you go home to your parents so you can cry to them about how mean Miss Johnson is. You're gonna stay here with me, and I'm gonna watch you the whole night. Well, actually, I'm going home, but I have security cameras everywhere, and you're gonna stay in this classroom and not touch anything. I don't care if you get no sleep. You're staying here because of how rude you were with the PE teacher, and he's gonna think that I'm a bad teacher when I'm not. All because of you. I'm perfect in every way. Let's see, what's next on our day? Nothing is left on today, but starting tomorrow, we have parent-teacher conferences, and Penny and Philip are first. I mean, Filbert, whatever your name is. But, yeah, parent conferences. I'm just gonna lecture you guys now. I'm gonna warn you. You better not blow it and misbehave when your parents come, or they're gonna think that I'm a bad teacher when I'm not. I don't want them to think anything false of me. I am perfect. And I want them to have your other siblings come to my classroom in a couple of years. Not any other teachers. What? Oh, you just saw me drinking out of Alyssa's cup? Be quiet. None of your business. Stay out of it. My cup now. Well, Seems like it's almost time for you guys to go. This day went by fast, and that's a good thing. You should be happy I didn't lecture you more. Jenna, what is that in your hair? Is that a bow? Hand that to me. Seriously, Jenna? Filthy. Inappropriate behavior. Never do that again. I told you on the first day of school, you're only allowed to bring yourself, your clothes, and your backpack with your homework. 4 items. Look at my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you not understand that? You do? Good. No other items. No food, like I keep on saying, but you're so disrespectful, you keep bringing food anyways. I'm sick of it. It's time for you kids to go. But I'm being a nice teacher right now because I'm letting you get off of school early. I don't care what time it is. You're getting off school early because I'm so sick of you, especially today. So get out. You have 30 seconds to get your stuff, or else you get detention. I'm watching. Hurry up. If your mom asks you why you left early, say that. Just don't say anything. Bye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Something is gonna happen very bad. I mean, good. Bye. Let me do that again. Today, I'm not letting you go home to your parents so you can cry to them about how mean Miss Johnson is. You're gonna